How does basic HTML document structure work? Imagine building a house where every part has a specific role. Just like a house needs a strong foundation and well-organized rooms, a web page needs a clear structure to work properly. When you create a web page, you start with a few simple but important steps. First, you tell the browser which version of HTML you are using by adding a special line at the top. This line looks like this: $!doctype space HTML > symbol. It helps the browser understand how to read your page. Next, you wrap everything inside a main container called the HTML element. Think of it as the shell that holds all the parts of your web page. Inside this container, there are two main sections. The first is called the head. The head contains information about your page that users don't see directly, like the title that appears in the tab at the top of the browser window. It also includes links to style sheets and scripts that make your page look nice and work smoothly. The second section is called the body. This is where all the visible content goes. Anything you want visitors to see or interact with, like text, images, videos, or links, should be inside the body. When you write your content here, you use different HTML elements like headings, paragraphs, images, and links. Each element has an opening tag, some content, and a closing tag, except for a few empty elements like line breaks. Starting with the doctype declaration helps browsers know what rules to follow. Wrapping your content inside the HTML element keeps everything organized. The head section is for metadata and settings, while the body holds your actual content. When you build your first web page, you'll write this basic structure first. Then, you can add your own headings, images, and text inside the body to make your page engaging. This structure is the foundation for all web pages, helping them display correctly across different browsers and devices. Remember, keeping your code neat and organized makes it easier to add more features later. Once you understand this structure, creating your own web pages becomes much simpler and more fun.